Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change text color in Photoshop. So let's start it. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see text color change. Now going to the color hand option. Now click from choose from color. Now click OK. That it's. Then again going to the set the text color and choose from yellow color. Now then click OK. That it's. Now you can see change text color in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.